Good morning. Happy Vlogmas Day 2 today. It is Sunday, the 29th of November right now. It's almost 11 o'clock right now, which means I have to pick up Chloe from her nap in a couple of minutes. But this morning has just been like really easygoing. Sunday mornings is when the beau does the grocery shopping. So he usually goes to like a couple of different stores. Today he's doing groceries and then he's also going to Costco. So we'll have to wait and see what kind of haul he brings back when he gets back. My mom actually came yesterday. So she's actually going to stay with us for a few days, I think until Wednesday or Thursday, so she can see Chloe. She hasn't seen Chloe in person for like, I think 2 weeks, something like that. So we always just have her come over and stay with us for however long she wants. We have like a guest room set up, which I still have to show you guys. Maybe we'll do that in an upcoming vlog. Today's vlog is going to be centered around more tech, because I finally decided on what I wanted to get for a new camera, and I got my $150 Amazon gift card. So I actually placed the order yesterday, and because I have Prime, it should be coming today, which is really exciting. So we'll do an unboxing and see how that goes. I actually don't mind filming with the iPhone. I think the quality is good. It's not so much on the front camera, which I'm using right now, but on the back camera. The only thing I don't like about using my phone is if I'm doing like a vlog style like this, I would like to use the better camera, which is the one on the back. However, then I can't see like if I'm in frame, or like if I look like this or if I look like this. So I do prefer to have a viewfinder so I can actually see what's going on. That's my only qualm about it. Otherwise, it would be a perfectly adequate solution. Hi, Chloe. Hi. Did you have a good nap? Yeah, you did. Okay, let Mama open the blinds, okay? Chloe's usually really happy, and she's we have the lights and the white noise scheduled. So at 11, when it's time to get up, the lights and the white noise actually turn off. So usually it kind of triggers her to stand up, and she's usually waiting for us when we open the door. So this is our Costco / grocery haul. Like I said earlier, the beau does errands usually Sunday morning, but usually first thing in the morning everything is kind of relatively quiet, so it's like a perfect time to go. He's gonna do a haul right now because then I know what's in the fridge and then nothing gets wasted.
And she brought up both socks too.
She's even holding something. Yay!
Good job, Chloe.
All the way up.
Okay, so we have congee from Nai, sweet potato, and some chicken breast. That's Chloe's lunch today. I have to take a shower before Chloe wakes up from her nap. We're actually also going to do a little outing because the beau is getting a gift for someone. So we are going to go to Indigo, but I have to take a shower because this is probably 4 or 5 day hair now. Okay, I am just going to blow dry my hair. I don't know if you guys can hear Chloe in the background. Chloe's awake right now, but we don't pick her up for another 15 minutes. She's not crying though. She's just kind of babbling in her crib, which I think is a good sign. Obviously, she feels very comfortable in there. She's hanging out. Yeah, so I'm gonna blow dry my hair and then go do some errands. Another downside of using my phone to vlog is that I would normally, while I'm blow drying my hair, listen to podcasts or like watch a YouTube video or something, but I can't because I'm using you guys to film. Okay, I have finished drying my hair. I still have 5 minutes before Chloe wakes up. The beau's back. He brought me a chatime. Very exciting. He went for a joyride today in his car because it's actually quite a lovely day out today. It's like almost double digits, I think. And by double digits, I mean 10 degrees Celsius. So yeah, very exciting. And yeah, so Chatime is bringing back their reusable like holiday cups, although because of COVID they just put the like usual covering over it. Normally I think this would have like a reusable cup lid, but this part is like hard plastic, so you can reuse it. You all know what my preferred drink is at chatime. It's the pearl milk tea. I also, the chatime, I don't know if it's for all chatimes, probably not, but the one closest to me, they actually don't do any red bean anymore, so that's sad. But I usually just get a pearl milk tea with no ice and no sugar. But this is the one cup I was talking about. So this I got last Christmas, and when they used to allow you to use reusable cups, I would actually bring this in so they wouldn't have to give me like one of the disposable ones. But yeah, it's the same except with, without the lid. Okay, we are at Indigo, and I'm just looking around like the kids stuff. We came here because the Beau had to see if he could buy a notebook for someone at work. I'm just looking at some books and just like some little things that I might get for Chloe. Haven't seen anything yet, but I love Indigo. If you're a new mom or just a mom in general and you haven't thought of coming here for cute things, you should, because they also have this brand called Pear here. And I've gotten Chloe a couple of onesies from there. She was a little bit smaller then, and onesies kind of made sense for her, but they have some really cute ones. And it's very seasonal, so they have spring, summer, fall, winter ones. They're very cute. These are some of the holiday onesies from Pear, and I just think they're so cute. They have a bunch of copper pearl stuff. They have a much bigger selection actually online, but yeah, I love coming here for cute baby finds. They're good for your baby, or if you have like a baby shower to go to. Great for gifts. And of course, all of the books. Love it. Chloe has one of these. It's the Baby Gund Sing and Play animal. So they are battery operated, and then they play little games like peekaboo, and some of them sing songs. She has this one, then she also has a bear, and she just loves them. It keeps her entertained. We're home, and I'm not quite sure what happened here, but I think maybe my mask was on a little too tight. I was wearing another Lululemon one, as you guys saw. But yeah, so be forewarned, because if you wear your mask too tight, you might get an indentation on your face. My camera, I believe, has arrived, and I say that because this is incredibly light. My G7X feels like heavier than this. I did order two things. I ordered the camera and then extra batteries. I ordered them actually at separate times, so I think they just bundled my order, which is what they typically do, and then just ship it all at once. So yeah, but that's like my first impression, is that it is incredibly light. Okay, hopefully we don't get copyrighted for the background music, but I'm gonna unbox this. It's just one of my items. The battery hasn't arrived yet, but this is the exciting one. I don't know why the box shows the black one, because I definitely ordered the white. Oh, it does say white on the, I guess I just couldn't be bothered rebranding it, but the one I picked up is the Sony ZV-1. Which I'm excited to use. Hopefully it works out. If it doesn't, I can always return it, but I'll try it out and we'll see. I'm gonna quickly unbox this. She's definitely not getting the unboxing she deserves, because I'm just doing it on the front-facing camera of my iPhone. But like I said, I got the Sony ZV-1, which just came out, I don't know, probably the summertime, or like mid this year, mid 2020. This white one though, so it came in the black originally, and they just released the white color, I think in October. I just closed the door because I'm pretty sure you can hear my mom in the background. She's feeding Chloe her dinner. But what was I saying? The white just was released October of 2020, and I don't know, I thought I'd do something different. I mean, my previous camera was the Canon G7X, which is obviously black. So I figured I'd just get the white. I am a little concerned now though, in hindsight, because the wind screen is actually white too, and I'm very hard with my camera. Obviously, if you could see this camera in better detail, you'll see all the scuffs and little scratches it has. So I'm a little concerned that that wind screen is going to be very dirty. So we have a bunch of paper, charger, USB, micro USB, that's the word I was looking for, micro USB. This is the windscreen. This is the camera. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's just extra packaging. Oh, is this the camera case? Nice, okay. Little rain gear. And then you get one battery. Nice. Oh, you know what? I do like the white one. I was having a little bit of, I wouldn't say buyer's remorse, but kind of second guessing myself about the white color, but it is very nice. I was really hemming and hawing about switching to Sony because I have so many like extra batteries for this G7X that I could have used if I got the G7X Mark II or III. So I was like, oh, I have so many accessories for this already, but ultimately I did decide to switch. So if you don't know about this particular camera, this is a content creator camera. Sony actually created a camera for the content creator, which is kind of why I chose this one over the G7X. I don't know, one, I wanted to see what Sony was doing these days, and the reason I chose this particular Sony over the RX100 series 5, 6, 7, I think they're up to 7 now, is just because this is really more focused for like the video aspect, which is what I use a point and shoot for. Like, I don't bring my point and shoot for photos, hardly ever. If I want really fancy photos, I'll use a DSLR. If I want something convenient, I just use my phone because it's just always with me. So this one I wanted in particular because it is more geared towards video creators, video content creators. It actually says right on the box, made for content creators and vloggers. I did get a new SD card for this though. This is my only Black Friday purchase. I actually ordered a gift for the bow on Best Buy, and they canceled my order last minute because apparently they ran out of stock, and because they inconvenienced me, they gave me a $20 gift certificate so I could, they gave me a code that I could use online on another purchase. So this one was already, I think regular price is $99 or something like that, and it was on Black Friday sale for $34.99, and then I used my $20 gift certificate for it, so I only had to pay like $14 out of pocket. So I thought that was a great deal, and it's fairly fast, and it's good because this shoots actually in 4K, which I might do occasionally, so I figured I'd get a bigger SD card to go in it. You might have noticed that this camera did not come with a charger in the box, so it actually, you can charge it with a micro USB cord, but I hear that's slow and it's inconvenient because then obviously if you're charging you can't use the camera, so it's a lot easier just to have extra batteries with you so you can just swap them out. I'll show you guys the batteries that I picked up from Amazon because I did go the third-party route. I was gonna pick up OEM ones, but I figured I'd just go with a third party. I mean, if this was a fancier camera, I probably would have gone OEM. So I am going to set this up and I'll be right back. You guys will have to let me know if you want me to do a more in-depth review on this, like a proper review once I use it a little bit more. But this, the one thing that I've noticed kind of up that while I've been using it is that the touchscreen isn't really a touchscreen. So you can use it for focusing, which is probably 95% what I actually use the touchscreen on the G7X for, is just to tap to focus. So if I'm like in the picture, I just tap and focus. So it does that, but you can't do anything else on here. Like you can't press enter or okay or select settings, which is a little bit annoying, especially it's 2020. It's my only comment on it so far. I'm gonna actually have to read the manual on this because it has a lot of different settings on here than what I'm used to on the G7X. So I want to figure all that stuff out. So I'm gonna actually have to read this or watch a YouTube video. That might be easier. Okay, hopefully I'm in frame for the opening of our day 2 of the advent calendar. and then we'll probably call it a night because I'm just gonna spend the rest of the night figuring out the settings on this camera and just play with it a little bit. Okay, so day 2. Oh, there's was there a little saying on the inside of this one? Oh, there is. It says, you just made our nice list. And on day 2, it says, celebrate the season one bite at a time. Oh, that's fun. I didn't even notice that when I opened it yesterday. On a side note, I did a clean install of the new Mac OS Big Sur. And so far, I really like the operating system, but that's kind of why it's like a mess of a bunch of stuff here. Okay, so that is going to be it for today's Vlogmas video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching whatever happened today. Let me know if you have any other suggestions or things that you want to see throughout Vlogmas, and I'll add it to kind of my list of ideas. Anyway, I hope you guys are well and safe and healthy, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.